In the current financial ecosystem, we observe two distinct economies operating in parallel. On one side, there's the traditional finance world, where banks and financial institutions enable individuals and businesses to move money through their accounts. On the flip side, we find ourselves in the realm of Web3, inclusive of services within the general crypto space. Here, individuals can transfer cryptocurrencies to various recipients and wallets, and fully engage with the services offered by the decentralized finance sector. However, these two systems lack direct communication. Direct transactions between them are not possible. Instead, each transaction must pass through an intermediary, typically a centralized infrastructure. There are currently two main methods of transitioning between these economies, through centralized platforms and instant on and off ramp platforms. Let's take a look at how the industry works when trading fiat and crypto via centralized platforms. When a person wants to buy crypto, they make a bank transfer towards the centralized platform. The platform then allows them to purchase crypto and to send it to their private wallet. The issue comes if the bank of the user decides to flag the transaction and to require the money to be returned due to fraudulent activity or other issues. The centralized platform is in many cases required by the regulators to comply and return the money. This is problematic if the user has already withdrawn their crypto assets away from the centralized platform, as recalls and clawbacks are impossible in the crypto space. For that reason, centralized platforms often lock the users up to 15 days on their platform. What does this mean for you? The custodial risk taken by you has now extended from a few hours to up to 15 days. This also restricts the access to your preferred decentralized protocols for trading and yield generation. Let's explore how the industry works when using an alternative approach of trading fiat and crypto via instant on and off ramp platforms. Similarly to the process with the centralized platforms, a user sends the fiat money via a bank transfer or through a card payment. Once the on and off ramp solution receives the fiat, they purchase the crypto through a centralized platform and send it to the user. The user has custody risk, but because the transaction usually settles in just a few minutes, the risk is present only for a short period of time. Since banks are still able to request a recall of the funds from the on and off ramp provider, and in essence, the provider wants to release the crypto as quickly as possible to satisfy the user's needs, they increase the fees they collect so they can cover for any losses which occurred due to fraudulent activities and subsequent recalls. What does it mean for you? While the custody risk is limited to only a few minutes, you have to pay hefty fees, and many times fees, reaching up to 15 times of what a centralized platform can offer. Axon is a cutting-edge, liquid fiat to crypto protocol that enables you to directly trade between fiat and crypto without the need for third-party trust or loss of custody, thus providing a truly non-custodial process. At its heart lies a secure transaction space that bridges traditional finance and crypto, ensuring a direct link between the two without intermediaries. This technology provides a way to clear any fraud, compliance, and AML risks from buy or sell transactions without any custody risk for you. The protocol also has built a direct integration with the traditional financial system, connecting with over 14,000 banks and financial institutions through an incorruptible computing network, ICN, which provides an end-to-end trust to be present during communication between those companies and the blockchain network. The technology allows Axon to provide unparalleled real-time transparency, not only for the crypto part of the transaction settlement, but for the fiat movement as well. All this data is continuously validated through Axon's proprietary consensus algorithm on a security-preserving blockchain, thus guaranteeing that the protocol is fully protected. Once validated, the information is directly consumed by the secured transaction space, ensuring that the users and the business are protected from fraudulent activities. What does this mean for you? The Axon protocol, for a first time, enables people to execute fast, low-fee, and fully non-custodial transactions between fiat and crypto. The intent-centric architecture seamlessly connects with deep liquidity, while the liquid clearing mechanism enables you to access various decentralized protocols through the built-in instant wallet. With Axon's gasless experience, you can enjoy equivalent ease of use and fees as in the most popular centralized platforms. but with zero custody risk. Forget about losing sleep over the solvency of a centralized exchange and just enjoy crypto.